16 mm rotary head, wirebending machine, through the head's rotary function, achieves 3D bending without turning wires. Production will be more stable. The total power of the whole machine is 26.5 kilowatts. Equipped with an automatic wire feeding rack capable of bearing a load of 2 tons. The diameter of the disc is 1.9 meters. It has automatic stop and automatic alarm function for disconnection. The equipment is equipped with 2 sets of auxiliary wire feeding mechanisms. Solved the feeding problem of large wire diameters from 8/16 mm. Enables quick material changeover. The straightening structure is equipped with a scale, capable of storing scale data, convenient for straightening wires of different specifications. 4 sets of wire feeding rollers. Precise wire feeding. Wire feeding accuracy, 300 mm plus or minus 0.1 millimeter. Bending angle accuracy, 90 degrees, plus or minus 0.2 degrees. Customized CNC operating system, with a simple, user-friendly interface. Supporting seamless switching between Chinese and English. The wire feeding speed is 50 meters per minute. Large forming space. Capable of shaping multi-angle products. Optional internal rotation function can be added according to product requirements, allowing the production of parts with multiple switchable redeem. The machine features 6-axis full servo control for precise forming and excellent flexibility. Multi-axis coordinated control enables bending of complex products. Equipped with Yaskawa motor and imported reducers and other core parts. Capable of processing low carbon steel of 8-16 millimeters, high carbon steel of 8-12 millimeters, stainless steel 8-12 millimeters, suitable for forming large diameter wires for automotive spare tire brackets, anchor component, furniture seat frames, and similar applications.